Maybe stuck with a horrible face forever. Do you think Mom would...
Shut the fuck up!
Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. What are you kids doing now? Burp contest. Knock it off. I love Mom.
Who ate my motherfucking bananas?
Why? It's fun.
It's gay.
That's what I said, it's fun.